日本的网架《龙鸟》这两档伫咧英国伦敦是真受欢迎，甚至佫有改编做舞台剧。在头一日的票房就拍破纪录，摕到英国戏剧 Oliver 6项大奖。
龙鸟音乐剧伫巴比肯首映破纪录了后，今年3月刷到伦敦西区。伫真侪部音乐剧内底，赢得票房甲评价。起面有6成无看过原来著作观众来观赏，舞台剧演员接受公司选好，分享伊成功的重点。
It's almost like a theatrical license to explore more depth of the original story and keeping the essence of the story, but at the same time find our own way to rediscover what Totoro is about for us.
Even throughout our rehearsals and whatnot, company members who are Japanese of descent try to teach us non-Japanese about the cultural significance.
龙鸟舞台剧由皇家莎士比亚剧团改编，九石娘重新来监制音乐，有侪位东亚演员参加。虽然主要语言是英语，不过依然保留真侪的句话对话。原本80分钟的动画被拓展为2点半钟的剧场的体验。遐那其中的秘密武器就是防严格禁止公开出现的这布红啊。
Everything had to build from scratch. I mean, the cat bus arrived from the States by ship, and we didn't know how to move it. So we had to explore it to do a workshop, and we tried, and it only looked like octopus instead of cat bus, you know. So that's how we started.
We treat every puppet with respect, right? We believe there are spirits in them. We treat the house itself as a puppet, the entire set as a puppet, and because we believe so much that these things are real, the audience believes it with us.
另外一个舞台焦点是搬这4岁查囡仔演员，互观众学了讲，敢像是动画内底走出来囡仔同款。
I'm between 20 to 50 years old. Yeah. And because they all treat me like I'm 4 years old, my job actually gets really, really easy.
龙鸟的舞台版本，若搁再互观众受到细汉时阵也证明好的故事是无国界。
好，英国剧场就透过向世界各地不断的学习，且带回这样的创意能量，也让去年 West End 的剧场经济在去年一举突破了10亿英镑大关。
公司国际记者英国伦敦报道。